finding average rate of change or slope from a graph. So in this lesson we are going to plot given points and then find the slope or the average rate of change for the line. Let's review some vocab. In math, slope is the ratio of vertical change and horizontal change between 2 points on the surface or a line. The vertical change between 2 points is called the rise and the horizontal is called the run. So slope in math for a line is rise over run, vertical change over horizontal change. Sometimes we say change in y over change in x. Change in y over change in x. Let's do some practice. On a new graph or a coordinate plane, plot points 1, 1 and 1, 4. 1, 1 and 4, 4. 1, 1 and 4, 4. Find the vertical change in y for the 2 points. Find horizontal change in x for 2 points. Find the slope of the line passing through points 1, 1 and 4, 4, which is change in y over change in x. So from the previous slide, we see we were supposed to plot point 1, 1, which is the red one here, and point 4, 4, which is the blue one here. Now we connect the lines, we connect the dots, and then we find rise over run. So rise, how much it went up and how much it went left or right. Rise is going up or down, run is going left or right. So our rise is 1, 2, 3. 3 and our run is 1, 2, 3. Again, this is a better view of the graph showing rise over run. We can go down also like I did in the previous slide. So rise is 3. Rise is 3 and run is 3. So rise over run, change in y over change in x is 3 over 3, which is 1 over 1, which is 1. So our slope is 1, or we can say 1 over 1. Another practice says find the slope of the line that passes through point -2, 1 and -1, 5. Plot the points, find rise over run, another way to name the slope, rise over run, change in y over change in x. So when we plot the point, -2, 1 is point A for us and -1, 5 is point B. So now we want to find rise over run. Our rise is not a straight line. Rise is 4 and our run is 1. Going up and right, so both are positive. So our slope is rise over run. Rise is 4 and run is 1. So our slope is 4 over 1, or we can say 4. Another practice. Calculate the slope of the line that passes through points 1, 4 and -1, 8. So I have taught using formula, so we are going to graph. In this one, we are still graphing the points and finding rise over run. When we plot the points from the previous slide, 1, 4 and -1, 8, this is what we have. Now we find rise over run. Rise, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, going up 4, and then our run is 1, 2, but we are going left 2, so it's negative. So our slope is rise is 4, run is -2. Our slope is negative. When we simplify it, it's -2 over 1, or we can say -2. You see, this is going down the hill, the slope is negative. And the previous examples, they were going up. So we're climbing the hill, going up or skiing up, it's positive slope. Going down or skiing down is a negative slope. Another example, find the slope of the line that passes through points -4, 2 and 4, 2. So we're going to plot these points and find rise over run. So when we plot the points from the previous slide, you see it's a horizontal line. So rise is, we have no rise. So rise is 0. And the run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going right. So run is 8. So now our slope m is rise over run, which is 0 over 8. So 0 divided by 8 is 0. So our slope is 0. So for horizontal line, slope is 0. So now we know 3 different types of slope. One that is going up has positive slope. The line that goes down has a negative slope. And the horizontal line that has a 0 slope, because the change in y is 0. In this example, find the slope of the line which passes through points 6, 3 and 6, -2, 6, 3 and 6, -2. So we're going to plot the points 6, 3 and 6, -2, find rise over run to find our slope. So when we plot the points from the previous slide, we see it's a vertical line. We find our rise, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, going up 5. And our run is 0. Our run is 0. Our rise is 5. Our slope is rise over run, which is 5 over 0. But we know we cannot divide a number by 0. Whenever the 0 is in the denominator, it's undefined. So our slope here is undefined. And now we know 4 different types of slope. One that goes up is positive. The one that goes down is negative. The one that is horizontal has 0 slope. The one that is vertical line has undefined slope. So summary, positive slope. Positive slope going up, you're skiing up. Negative slope going down. 0 slope, horizontal line. Undefined slope, vertical line.